Hi, welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I'm working around in my primary bedroom here at the house, my room. I want to just kind of spruce it up a little bit for spring and summer, but also maintaining the very tranquil, cool colors and decor that I already have. So I just thought it might be interesting to you to see just taking little, little things here and there, and a lot of the stuff I already had. And that's something that if you can create a little bit of an arsenal, even if it's just a small, you know what I mean, if you don't have a lot of storage or, whatever the case may be, if you can find a few pieces, and when I say a few pieces, I'm thinking pillows or pillow covers, some floral stems, maybe a little bit of artwork or wreaths. I actually was planned on switching out my wreath over my bed that's a little more, spring and summery. But I actually found this print at Hobby Lobby for $3.99. And I just loved it, and I thought it was just perfect for in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. But I was planning to go ahead and use something I already had. So if you can kind of create some of those staple pieces that you can just swap out, for each season, it's so helpful. And you feel like you have a refresh in your home. It's, a little bit chippier, a little bit brighter, or a little bit just more flowers and floral and springy. You're made, and you don't have to go and spend a bunch of money every season. In fact, you really shouldn't. So anyhow, I'm just going to kind of do it a little differently. I'm going to show you each section of my room, the before, and then I'm going to show you how I just put a few things in there and explain what I did. So let's get started. Okay, first off, this is my sitting area in my room. I use this every day. Every morning I sit down, I do devotionals, I, read, just some uplifting quotes and different things right there. So this is usually my chair. But it's just a very nice, tranquil. I like these pillows. I think they go still for spring. I think they go fabulous with this print, which I got at Hobby Lobby. I have my light, my rattan light here. I have a little bit of floral. I have my throw, and I just have some pieces here. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh it. Here is the before, this area before. Okay, and like that, I just feel like it's just very subtle changes, but just, brightened it up and just kind of made it more springy to me. Still have my same artwork, the chairs, the pillows. This is what I changed out. So I had the dark brown box, which was good for winter, with a gratitude book in it. And all I did was switch out this little, white bowl. I got it at, it's a wood bowl at Hobby Lobby. It is 50% off right now. I just got that, filled it with some green orbs that I already had, and then I picked up this candle from Hearth and Hand at Target, and then I just added some new florals, some added florals in here that pick up on the great picture, but is more pink and some white, and it just looks more florally, not just the greenery, and I love it. I just absolutely love it. I just moved my candle down because there's, more going on up here, so I moved that down. Have my little healing lamp there, and this is just a throw I got at Target. So the throw I got here at Target just has cute little tassels. It's just a light blue stripe, and I just, pulled that over the chair. And now this area, it's not like a drastic change. It's just, a little brighter and a little more springier. Super simple. Switched out florals, added this little container with some green orbs, a new candle, a throw, and it just freshened it up. Very quick and simple. So this is my next little area. I keep these pictures out all the time. This was something I brought in after Christmas, but it ties in with my wreath I had for the winter. But I just feel like this is, you know, a little more wintry, maybe harvest, that kind of thing. So I'm just gonna do a quick little switch out and I'll show you how it turns out. So you can see perspective. We're right here next to the sitting area. Okay, so boom. That was simple. All I did is I've had this has been all over my house in several different areas. It's just a beautiful orchid. Still white and soothing and calm, but it just gives more of a floral, more of a spring, summer little pop right there. I kept my green because I like that against the white brick. And I just, you know, a simple little step. And as I move back, you can see here with the sitting area and everything, it just is a nice. And I am not one who will not mix metals. I do have some gold in here, but I also have this silvery. It's on the other side of the bed. You'll see that in a minute. But I think, you know, it is totally fine. Some people say, no, don't mix metals. But, you know, I've got little touches of silver all over. And then I've also got some gold on my mirrors here. So, you know what? You do what you like. There is not an actual rule book. There are just guides, you know, just information. So that with the whole don't mix your metals, don't worry about that. But I think that's cute. I also toyed with the idea of painting this, maybe a pink. Maybe I'll do that still, but that would be very simple. I already have it. I have paints here. You know, that might be something I do and I can update with you guys later. I'm gonna live with it. I like to do that first. Live with something for a little bit, and then if I still feel like, yeah, I want that color or I want whatever, then I'll do it. Next stop is going to be the bed. Okay, so this is my bed area. I've got my wreath over here, which I feel was nice for the winter decor. You know, it was kind of a soft beige, kind of flowy. I really liked it, but I feel, again, like I mentioned before, I was going to just switch out to a different wreath, but I found this picture and that was it. But I just have very neutral white bedding, blanket. I just like things to be very soft and kind of flowy and kind of cottagey. If you notice, I've got the long, you know, kind of like a bed skirt on the, it's very thin, just very, I just love it. It's very cottagey to me. I have my pendant lights, those stay. The mirrors obviously will stay, but what you can really do very quickly and easily is change out bedding. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and we'll show you how it turns out. Okay, and ta-da! You know, I just switched around some pillows. So I put this nice striped one down. I thought this looked really nice because you'll see I switched out my sheets and they have a same kind of ticking stripe. I kept my same blanket, but I switched these that were here because I felt like that went better. I added these pink, really beautiful, beautiful pink pillows here. And you see I have new stripe ticking sheets right here. And some white ones. And then I just took the gray ones that were back here and put my white. And then the beautiful little $3.99 picture. I love it. I think it's so sweet and so spring and summer. I think it just goes so nicely. Oh, these dogs are just making me crazy. They're telling me it's time to eat. But just a simple little switch. And I think it just makes the room feel different. I just really, really like it. And I just wanted to encourage you that if you're wanting to switch something out, like what I'm doing, it is super simple. It is super easy to do. It is not very expensive. Even if you had pillow covers, you know what I mean? I got these at Hobby Lobby on clearance for $7 each. So they were the perfect size that I wanted. I would have done a pillow cover, but you know what? Shop around, look in the deals, see if there's something on clearance that will work. I just think that it just added that little bit of, you know, spring and summer without breaking the bank, going, you know, being expensive. As you see on this side, I have the silver. And that's what I'm saying. It kind of brings in the silver that I just put out up on the shelf. And gosh, you know, just a nice spring clean of your room, you know what I mean, can make a huge difference. I just feel like it, you know, it's not overwhelming, but it's just refreshed. And I just think that is so nice. I want this room to always be very calming and just serene, a place that I can, that's just mine and that I can retreat and just feel comfortable. I also love how, I don't know, this might go a little dark here, but my wonderful view, oh whoops, every day when I wake up, look at that view out into the garden. It's just really great. I love it. So I like the thought of bringing the outside in, and I think that's why I so much love the whites, the pink. You know, I brought floral in, and you know, a little bit of fruit, and you know, just kept it really serene. Let me take you back over here into the sitting. And again, just simple little switches really made a wonderful, wonderful difference. And then I'll show you coming back this way. Just a really nice, subtle changes. So I hope I gave you some good ideas, and I hope you liked this type of video where I could just show you a space and then the before and then the quickly after, and just to give you those ideas that you can use in your home. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and share this out to anybody else that would, you know, maybe need some of these tips. And gosh, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do that. I've got lots of fun things coming up this summer. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!